What's up, guys? So my boy just picked me up. We're about to go throw down a little party, a little set up and behind the truck. I'll show you guys everything, but for now, check this out. So he just pulled up. Check this out. He got the speakers, everything set. Check it out. So we'll get you guys back in a little bit when we're ready to rock. All right, guys. So check this out. We just pulled up to this big ass field right here, and my boy's right now taking out the speakers right there. Got these speakers right here. What we're gonna do, we're making a little vibe today. What we're doing, I just, I woke up, I don't care. I woke up and I'm trying to go throw down, you know what I mean? Get this shit settled. But yeah, so what we're doing is taking that thing to my boy's backyard, as you can see. And we're gonna throw down. We're gonna have a little set. My bad, there's sun in my eyes. But yeah, guys, anyways, let's get to it. Yo, what's up, guys? So check it out. We just got in the truck, this whole truck right here, as you can see. We got in this whole thing. This thing's all truck. We got speakers here, speaker here, speaker here. This is the mixer. We got lights. We got the MacBook right here. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're about to get everything set, and when everything's set in this truck, we're gonna rock and roll. Let's go. Nah, I'm gonna study today. Gay. Study what? Study fucking me and T. Shit, you should have studied us. Yo, what's up? So we got it all set, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. So we got all the speakers, the mixer, we got the speakers, the laptop, that controller, Bose, shout out to Bose. So yeah, we're gonna have a fucking throwdown in here. Let's get it popping, guys. I'll catch you guys when I'm geeked. Moonlight, get your moon right, boogie the moonlight. Got the speakers set up, we're waiting on everybody, vibing, but you guys, it's coming soon, it's coming soon, don't worry about it, read about it, feel about it. Hey, what's up? That shit, folks. I know, nigga, fuck, that's all I was gonna get, hey! That controller, Bose, shout out to Bose. So yeah, we're gonna have a fucking throwdown in here. Let's get it popping, guys. I'll catch you guys when I'm geeked. Moonlight, get your moon right, boogie the moonlight. Got the speakers set up, we're waiting on everybody, vibing, but you guys, it's coming soon, it's coming soon, don't worry about it, read about it, feel about it. Hey, what's up? That shit, folks. I know, nigga, fuck, that's all I was gonna get, hey! White girls politicking, that's my
Shit for real, man, I'm telling you now. Give a fuck about no damn ugly fucking sound. I'm in the shed trying to get a fucking pound. Shit, you not, I had to go and cut a hound. Yes, we back so stressed. It's whack and I come around this nigga this and that. Then I pull up, clap, then I pull up with your hat. And I be pimping on the scene trying to get my fucking fat. Yeah, cop, nigga, I don't give a shit about y'all because y'all rocks, nigga. I pull up with the trigger. I know I'm trying to figure something out, but y'all just running out. Oh, cameraman got it. Hey!
Oh, my screen's fucked up.
Stop. What the fuck? You can't do that.
Yes, you can do that,
No, you
dummy.
can't.
Yes, you can. Yes, you
No.
can. Yes, you fucking. Yes, you fucking can do that. You just fucking hung up on me, and I'm in a mercy. I'm gonna fucking die soon if I don't get it, dude. Give me fucking 15 minutes. Gosh.
No.
Yeah, and don't
can't do
touch.
that.
Don't.
Call
I
him
don't.
back and make it worse. Let him call whoever the fuck he wants. He's a grown man. He just had his quinceañera recently.
(911) emergency. What are you reporting?
Hey, I was wondering, if I can't drive right now because I've been drinking, so I didn't want to drive. I was wondering if you guys could come by, maybe, you know, go to the store for me, the alcohol store.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, you guys don't do that just in case I don't drive.
No, we expect you to be an adult and not drive when you're drinking, but we definitely don't give you rides to the liquor store.
Oh, okay. No worries. All right. So these cops, they can't do it, but it's whatever. But anyway, guys, we'll get back to you guys later. This is fucking bullshit. That's fucking ridiculous, and we'll get you guys back in a bit.